Where did I go wrong? I mean, what wrong have I done?
You have done nothing wrong. Daddy, you have done absolutely nothing. Nothing.
So why are they punishing me? Why are they toying with my emotion? Why?
It's okay. With time, everything will be fine. Please.
Urena, this is not as easy as you are seeing it. My wife and my children just deserted me for no reason. I try every day to understand what happened. And nothing is registering in my head. I did not do anything wrong.
It's okay. It's okay. Like I said, with time, everything will be fine. Okay? I just need you to be strong and wait for that time. You see, Mommy, Auntie Miracle, Brother Kene, all of them will soon be here. And we'll soon live like one big family, like we used to. Please. I think this is just their time and moment, and I advise you let them have it. Okay?
When is it going to happen? When are they going to come to their senses? Is it when I die of high blood pressure? Or when I die of loneliness? Is that when they will begin to think?
Daddy, why would you even talk about loneliness when I'm here? I am here. Listen, I am your daughter and I will stand by you against all odds. I am here for you. Trust me. I just need you to be strong and wait for that time. Mommy, Auntie Miracle and Brother Kene, they will soon come back. I promise you. So, I think this is just their time and moment, and I'd advise you just let them have it. Please.
Come on. Come on! What's happening here, baby? Oh! Give it to me, baby! What are you trying to do? You want to eat me raw? Do you want to eat me raw?
I love it when you make me feel. Of course I know! Jesse! Oh! You wanna devour me? Jesse, stop!
I wanna eat you raw.
Oh my gosh, come on baby, eat me!
Hey! What is going on here? What the hell is going on here? What are you doing with my sister? Miracle! You know what? A very useless big guy from a bag or whatever your name is, meet me outside. Meet me outside immediately!
What is wrong with you? Be calm, do the right thing, calm. We need to have fun.
Put this up.
What is it? Huh?
Is that all you can say?
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
Of all places. Why our house?
You know how these things works now, huh? Just wanted to have fun with your sister. And you know this type of fun does not require a special place.
You are a madman. You are very, very stupid. You this nonsense fool. What if it was my mother that walked in there? Are you mad?
Take your hands off. Like you don't know who you're dealing with. You now raise your voice at me? Huh?
You are very, very stupid. And I'm going to do more than raising my voice at you the next time you are going to try this nonsense with my sister under our roof.
You know me. You just fire the first shot. Wait for my return.
You are a madman.
Wait for my return.
We're not going to do anything. Just like I said, the next time you are going to try this nonsense here.
And I'm still going to knock your sister. As I see your sister, she'll be like a person who will come on.
I swear to God, the next time I'm going to see you here again, big guy or whatever your name, or JT, whatever your name is, I'm going to kill you now. Leave, come check it. Come on, leave my father's house. Get up. Come on, get up. Woman.
Urena, I had a dream. I had a dream of building a very strong family. Family that will always stay together, do things together, plan things together, achieve great results together. That was my dream. Look at what is happening now.
The dream is not yet defeated. Trust me.
So when is it going to happen? When?
Daddy, sometimes you make me feel like you're not happy that I stayed back. Do you want me to leave?
No. Why would you even say that? You are the reason I am still alive. Because I believe I would have died a long time ago had it been you left with them. No, don't say that.
Okay. Then prove it.
How?
Prove it by following me to the dining and eat something.
Okay. Okay. If that is what you want, let's go and eat.
Thank you, Daddy.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
Miracle. I ask you a question and I need an answer. Did you bring a man into this house?
Yes, Mommy.
Damn it! Oh my goodness. Miracle! How could you do a thing like this?
Mom, the truth is, we didn't plan to come here. It was a mistake and it was a mistake.
What I saw was not a mistake, Mom. If not that I walked in here the moment I did, that useless fat frog would have gone down with you on that couch.
Oh, this madness has to stop. And with immediate effect, Miracle. Next time you will bring a man into this house. In fact, next time this nonsense, ugly situation will happen here, I will so kick you out into the streets. Have I made myself clear?
Mom! It hasn't gotten to that.
It has!
You shouting.
You're stupid.
Why are you angry?
Stupid.
And you, stupid brother, you think reporting me to Mom will do anything? Get out of here!
I was expecting you to hide your face in shame. I was expecting you to hide your face in shame. What you did was very, very wrong. And not to come and sit here and defend your useless attitude. Nonsense. Let me see that fool here again.
Thank you for the food.
You are full already.
I just want to thank you. Thank you for everything.
Why are you thanking me?
I am thanking you because you are a gift from above. That's the easiest way to say it.
Yes, I know. But we are all gifts from above.
Yeah, you may be right when you say that because in line with what has been said, children are special, are gifts from God. In your own case, you are not just gift from God, you are a gift that is deeply, deeply special. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. So why do you say so?
The mere fact that you decided to stay back sees it all. You are the reason I am alive. I keep saying that. If not that you stayed back, I would have been a dead man had it been you left when they left.
Well, you know, I won't leave you for anything. You're my father. And no matter the accusation, I'll still stand by you.
But let me be very sincere with you, and I want to speak to you from the very depth of my heart. I did not do what your mother accused me of.
I know very much. And that was why I stayed back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are broke. There is no money in this house. So what do we do? But Kenny, is there no money in the family account?
There is no money there. I mean there is money there. I will have go and use it and at least buy fuel so that we can receive fan. What is that?
Do I know what is biting me? Ask me what is that. So what are we going to do? This is serious. I've never slept without an AC. What's this on now?
You will learn it now. You will learn how to sleep.
That was the question I asked the last time. And he's begging for an answer.
The only answer to that question is that we have to go back to Chief and request for money.
Going to Chief now is the last option. Why? Mommy, please, I wasn't born to suffer. He gave us 7 million the last time. Going again to ask for money is completely out of it.
No. Mine, we have to go back there. After all, we are his responsibilities and he must carry us along. Eh? How can a next of kin remain like this? Eh? Is it on my packaging? Is this not still finished? Don't worry, let me get there first.
Kenny, what is it? Why is your face like that?
There is no phone inside this car.
What do we do?
See, I don't know whether you have 10,000 with you. Just give it to me. Let me use it and buy fuel. I will give it back to you immediately. Our father give us money.
Thank you from where? Kenechukwu, I am dead broke.
You don't have 10,000 with you?
I don't.
It's alright, I have 3,000 with me. Let me go and bring it so that we can use it and enter public transport.
Public what?
Transport.
How the hell am I going to enter public transport? Kene!
Let's go now. Are you not the one that said you don't have 10,000 naira? Let's go.
This is not fair. There's no way I'm going to.
Do you have it? Are you stupid?
Why are you banging the gate?
Eh?
Why? When I want for the gate.
Wait. Who are you talking to? Wait. You're seriously talking to the owners of the house like that? Are you insane? Do you want me to slap you?
No slap you. I don't understand what you want. Wait till I even want, sir. Wait till I want.
I don't blame you. Let us go.
Wait, I ask questions, they say, what do you want?
Can let's go.
Wait. You are asking me what I want in my own father's mansion.
Can I leave this idiot?
Yeah, still. Bye.
Hey.
You have already said so many things, but you have not said the reason you are here. So I'm going to give you that last chance. In one very short sentence. Why are you here?
Bye, since you claim that you don't know why we are here from what we have been explaining here, I will make it very clear for you to understand. We need money. Ego.
Yes.
I know. I know this is the reason you are here. Hi, God.
What is funny?
I know.
Okay, fine. Since you claim to know why we are here because we need money.
Yes.
So please,
kindly
give us money.
Yes.
Well, let me make this thing very clear to you. I have money. I actually have plenty of it. But I do not have any money to give you.
You didn't just say that, Father.
I said it. And I mean every word I said. Giving you money is like empowering my enemies. My enemies who will turn around and use that same money to work against me.
That's so harsh. See that.
Urenna, can you please stay out of this? I am already on top of this and I am handling this to the very best of my ability.
Daddy,
stay out of it.
But they are still your children. You don't need to start them off cash.
Well, I have already taken a stand. And that stand that I have taken is final.
Okay, Chief, you don't have money to give us. Fine, Mpanyi. Have it in your mind that you have just declared war upon yourself. Yes, you are
But then you stop too. Stop. You're talking to your father. You can't talk to me in such manner.
Who is my father? I don't care about his status. In fact, he's no longer my father. From the very moment he said that he's not going to give me money for me and my sister to go and enjoy, this man here is no longer my father.
But he's innocent of all these accusations. You know.
Urenna, stay out of this. You are not the topic here. This man here is no longer my father. From the very moment he said he will not give me money, I deny him that right. And he has just declared war upon himself. Let's go. Can I say that? This man will hear from me. You have just declared war upon yourself. You say you're not going to give me money, right? There will be no peace for you. You will hear from me. Come, let us go. Leave this man. Let us go. You are only the next of me. You don't want to give me money. You have just declared war, Chief.
These are the people the people you are holding brief from. People who are completely bereft of manners.
I knew he was not going to give you the money. That man is evil. He is wicked. I don't even know what I was thinking when I got married to him.
Mpanyi just declared war upon himself. And I am going to give it to him the way he wants.
Honestly, this is getting out of hand. And Dad needs to be called to order. How are we supposed to survive without money? How?
Chief.
What if I tell you that Urena is behind all this nonsense?
Urena?
Yes.
No, Mom, I don't think so. You know why? She's been the one convincing Dad to give us money. So why will she...
That was all pretense. She did that to make you believe she is with you. But behind you, she will give Chief 101% reason why he will not give you that money. Yes.
Are you sure about this?
Yes! I am very sure of that. Urena is my daughter and I know what she's capable of doing. Urena is a chronic pretender. She is known for slandering people at their back. I am telling you. Destroying people's image. That is what she is known for. Believe it or not.
Daddy, I want you to reconsider your decision.
Urena, there is nothing to reconsider. I have already made a decision on this, and that decision is final.
But with the way they sounded, it's so obvious they are completely broke.
I don't care. Whatever they are passing through, they brought upon themselves. I did not ask them to leave. They chose to leave. So whatever thing they are passing through is not my business. I don't want to get involved in that.
No. But at least you should care. As the father of the house, you should care. Listen, Daddy, if you don't give them this money, Kenechukwu might end up doing something very stupid. And at the end of the day, it will bounce back on you.
Now listen to me. I have said this to you before. Giving Kenechukwu miracle and their more than money is more like a man empowering his enemies. And I am not going to be
There you go again. Who are you referring to as your enemy? You should not do that, Daddy. Listen, Kenechukwu is your first and only son. In Igbo land, Kenechukwu is your right hand. So you should not refer to him as your enemy.
But he made himself my enemy. Oh yes, he made himself my enemy when he started to take sides against me. Why should I be empowering that kind of individual?
But I still think you should rethink. I know that everything will be fine soon. And you know that you are a good man. And I love that for you. Okay? Nobody is your enemy. And I believe that everything will be fine very soon.
Kenechukwu already made himself my enemy. Why are you not getting that?
All I want is for peace to return and everything will be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. And everything will be okay. United and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on?
Hello.
Did you get the money?
No, but I'm working on it.
What?
I'm working on it, baby.
You didn't get the money. So why then did you ask to see me?
Because I miss you and I want us to spend time together.
It's not possible. Yes.
Why?
Your brother warned me never to go close to you again.
Come on, honey. He has no precedence over what we share. Okay? You cannot listen to him.
Well, I will decide if I'm gonna listen to him or not when you bring the money.
Don't. Come. Honey! Babe! Jexy! Rena, it surprises me that you have not taken a rightful stand in all of this.
Well, on the contrary, I'm actually taking my stand.
Which is?
Which is uniting my family. I've told you before, I want Brother Kene, Auntie Miracle, and my mom back to this mansion. I mean, life was very beautiful when we all were living together as one big family.
You see, Rena, it amazes me when you talk like this. Why would you say a thing like that?
How? I don't think I understand what you're saying. Please add meaning to it. What do you think? What do you mean?
What I'm saying is this. Instigate your father against hating these people.
Why? Why would you even think of a thing like this?
Listen to me. This is very simple to
Okay, to what end?
Good. Once your father hates them with passion, he wills everything to you. My friend, you will enjoy life to the fullest.
Well, like I told you before, I am not interested in all of that. I've already told you what I want, and I'm going to put in everything at my disposal to make sure that my family come back together. You shouldn't even be thinking like this. Are you really my friend? Are you think?
We are talking about you being comfortable for life.
I know. If I'm comfortable, my family should be comfortable as well. How do I make money? How do I spend my money without my family? Who is going to enjoy the money?
If you say so.
I say so. Don't worry. Drink up.
Urenna is right. I will just go ahead and send them money. Urenna is right. I will just go ahead and send them money before they go ahead and steal. Keneshukwu at this point will not mind to do anything that will bring shame and disrepute to my name. So to avoid that from happening, I will send them money. I need you to come now.
Hi, bro.
Mira, where have you been? I've been looking for you.
I went to fix up some things.
Okay. I want to ask you a very important question, and I want you to give me intelligent answer.
And what is that? I'm listening.
What do you think about what Mom told us about Urenna?
Well, I think I have to go with Mom on that.
Why?
Because Urenna is a huge pretender. And the little I know about pretenders, they are the worst kind of people to deal with.
How do you mean?
See, bro, Pretenders are like rats. They beat you in a particular place and blow cold air, so you do not realize they are actually beating you. And they will continue doing that until you are completely destroyed. See, Reina is trying to play fast on us.
If that is the case, I am going to deal with Urena. I will so deal with Urena to an extent that she will be begging for mercy, but mercy will be far from her.
On that note, bro, I would have to tag along with you. Yes.
She is minute and insignificant. Dealing with her will not take me anything, so I would prefer to do it my way.
Really?
Yes.
How inside?
That useless little witch is also a useless pretender. I will finish her. Nonsense.
Well, I have pondered over the things you say, and I have decided, made up my mind, I will send them the money.
Really? Thank you so much, Daddy. I said it, you're the best father in the whole world.
I believe you still have Kelechibu's account details, right?
Yes, I do.
Good. Forward the details to my accountant and ask her to send 2 million naira to them.
Okay. But I was thinking you should make it up to 5 million.
Are you actually aware I'm doing this because of you? If not that you ask me, I will not send even a dime to them. So don't ask me to send anything more than what I've already decided to send.
It's okay. You've done enough already. Let me just go on. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you.
All I want is for peace to return and everything may be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no, but why? Why hating on one another when we should be strong together? Cause together we stand, divided we fall. I wish we can come together as one. All I want is for peace to return.
What is wrong with this car? Oh my goodness.
All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no. All I want is for peace to return and everything
What is wrong?
okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other.
Mommy's not yet back.
Yes.
What could she still be doing in the market?
I don't know.
I think you need to call her.
I've tried her number twice. It's switched off.
Switched off?
Yes. What is this? What kind of rubbish is this? What is this?
What?
Just take a look at this.
What the hell? What nonsense? Like, what can 2 million naira do for us? What is 2 million naira?
Okuman, they try me. Mpanye is trying me. Eh? Or is it Urenna that also told him to give us 2 million naira instead of 7 million naira he normally gives us?
Wait, what were you thinking? Of course she's responsible. That girl is so silly, wicked, annoying, and stupid. What? What the hell are we going to use 2 million naira for?
At this point, Mira, at this point, I'm telling you the truth. At this point, we need to take it up from here. If Rudenna, we need to destroy that girl. I can't take this. You owe me 2 million naira. For what? 2 million naira? Or you're going to Ghana for 1 week?
What's happened to the car?
I was just driving this car. All of a sudden, the car stopped. All efforts to start this car has proven abortive. I don't even know what to do again. I am just tired. Please help me.
The engine don't knock.
What do you talk?
I say your engine don't knock. The engine of the car don't knock.
My engine has knocked. What are you saying? Oga Mechanic, are you sure you learned this job very well?
I learned my job well.
Eh?
I learned my job well.
Oga, I am not sure. Because this car, I have not driven this car for 5 years now. It's a new engine.
Madam, even that 5 years in the talk, this car soon I ever changed the oil for that 5 years in the talk. Now I make the engine knock.
The car that I'm just driving now. How possible? Come on. Oh my goodness.
Only way you go do, make this your engine. Either you buy a new car or you buy a new engine to replace her.
Huh? Oh.
Madam, do that. Get other people to go attend with.
Please, don't add to my stress. I am so stressed already. Don't add to it. Because if you don't know how to do it,
don't me knock your engine, madam. Do. I get other people and go attend with.
Urena, you're looking very excited. What is the good news?
I just confirmed to receive the money.
Did they call you to tell you they received the money? Did they call you to confirm that the money is with them? So how did you get to know?
The accountant called.
Confirming that she has sent the money? You see what I mean? They have received the money and they never bothered to call me to thank me. I told you we are dealing with a bunch of ingrates and I don't know why you don't want to get that.
They will still call. Trust me.
I can bet you that they are not going to call. You are thinking that they will call. They will not call. I know the people.
They will call. Don't worry. They will call. Then once again, thank you so much for sending the money. How
I wish they are here to see the kind of effort you are making to make them happy. How I wish.
They don't need to be here. They don't need to see it. I mean, I'm just doing it for the family. And I honestly cannot wait to see us back again as one big family.
I pray for them too. But I can bet you that someday you will be so shocked to see yourself being accused by them of being the one that is preventing them from having unhindered access to me.
They won't. You're just overthinking. Don't worry, they won't.
You know, your problem is that you do not know the true color of ingrates. Ingrates, you can never master their color.
They can't. Stop.
Wait. Let me get this straight. You mean your father sent you 2 million naira only?
Mother, can you just imagine that rubbish?
When you got there to ask for money, did you tell him you only needed money for biscuit and ice cream? Because as far as I'm concerned, the 2 million naira is for biscuit. and ice cream.
Come on, Mom, we're not silly. There's no way we would go to Dad for biscuits and ice cream money. Hell no.
Then why did he send 2 million naira only? Instead of the usual frustrated 7 million naira he normally sends?
Mother, I don't have answers to that question.
At this point now, do you need any other proof that your father is not only an evil man, but also wicked? Do you need another reason?
Honestly, Mom, I was so surprised when Kenneth showed me 2 million. Like, 2 million naira for what? Why would they insult us that way?
I think maybe we should just return that useless 2 million naira.
Huh? You don't return money. Instead, you go there and ask for more.
Yes.
I say. Like you didn't kill Jibiko.
And you feel that is the right thing to do.
It is the right thing. If you don't need to give it to me. Look at man, you want to return what?
Yes. Where is Chief?
He's not around.
Chief is not around. Hello? Mpai. I am currently inside your mansion with my sister. Where are you?
Is that the greeting I am supposed to get from you?
Epa, forget about my greetings now. It's not really important. Where are you?
Then fine. I am busy.
What did he say?
Chief said that he is busy.
What? Look, Brenna, whatever thing you are planning will not work. Because Chief is our father and we're very much entitled to his money.
I'm lost. What are you saying?
I'm talking about you poisoning his mind not to give us money. You very much know what I'm saying.
Sister, I've actually been the one advocating on Ibube's behalf.
It is not true. And you just confirmed to us now that you are very good in lying. Your time is up. I would advise you for your own good. Whatever useless game you think you are playing with our father, hang it up. Else, you will have me to contend with.
And that's all we have to tell you for now. Because we got our eyes on you. Kene, let's go.
Nonsense.
I know it will get to this point. I know that those people will start pointing accusing fingers at you.
It's funny. Because I've been the one fighting for them. I mean, it's so funny how they see me as their enemy.
I'm happy you now know they see you as the enemy. And you should start seeing them as your enemy too.
I can't do it. Trust me. I can't do it. Yes. Well, why do you want me to do it? It has not gotten to that.
You should. And one of the ways to start is by blocking them from getting money from your father.
That's so harsh. No, you're taking it too far. Look, if I should do that, it will choke them financially. And I'm not ready to see that happen.
Rina, why are you this soft?
It's not like I'm too soft, but...
Look, if these people should have their way, they'll kill you.
Like I still said, you are the one taking this whole issue too far. It's not that deep. Trust me. They cannot kill me. It's just that they are angry, which I understand them. They're just angry. Trust me.
I just wish that God will open your eyes so you can see what they have against you.
They don't have anything against me. Let me go and give you juice. You take juice, right? Come, let me get you juice.
All I want is for peace to return. Everything may be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything will be okay.
Why is this man so weak? Yeah? Why has he decided to frustrate us, suffocate us financially?
Urena is wrong with you. And until you take care of that girl, your father may not give you any money. I think it's high time I dealt with that girl. I am done condoning her.
Same here.
How do we go about it?
I will bring in JT, a very rugged guy from Abadan.
What for?
He is the 001 of all the bad boys in this town.
Kenny, how did you get to know about that?
How I get to know about it is not the topic we are going to sit down here and talk about. I will bring him in, discuss everything with him. From there, he will know exactly what to do.
No. Discuss with him and get back to us. Oh? Let us know what to do.
Yes. Right. Fun. Huh.
What is it?
Are we quarreling? Don't you want to have a handshake with me?
Nigga, say what you want to say and let me get the fuck out of this place.
Are we quarreling?
Do you know the things you said to me the last time we met is still fresh in my brain? You insulted me. You humiliated me. What do you want me to do for you? Why do you request to see me?
My guy, please. I need your help.
Oh yes, I thought as much. The only time you know about my existence is when you want me to do something for you. So this time around, I am going to disappoint you. I'm not going to help you.
My guy, I beg.
Fuck you.
See, my guy, JT, a very big guy. Big guy. My guy, no reason I'm like this now. You are taking this in too far, beg. Big guy. Hey. Which guy? Like this? Sit down. Urena, I have decided that you should take over as the MD of all my businesses, both here in Nigeria and abroad.
Daddy, why?
Because I consider you worthy to be the one in charge. And that is why I have made that decision. This is the file.
Daddy, slow down. Don't rush. Calm down.
I don't understand.
Daddy, you have a right-hand man in Kenechiko. But Kenechiko is your only son. You should know just... Daddy, do you know what you want to do? Okay, fine. You can give it to him, then I can assist him in running the business. and not handing everything to me. No.
You may be right in your argument. But the question that is begging for an answer is, where is Kenechukwu as we speak?
You don't need to judge based on what is happening now. Everything will be okay. He will come around.
He will come around when? Why do you keep saying that he will come around? Is it when I'm dead that he will come around?
When you are dead, why would you even say that? Oh, because people are saying you are an old man. You think you are old. You are not old. You are just in your 60s.
Okay, I am in my 60s and you believe I am still very normal? I am still very young? For your information, life expectancy in our country has dropped to abysmal 55 years. It simply means that those of us in our 60s who are still living, we are living by the grace of God. Anybody can drop dead at any point in time. Always bear that in mind.
Okay.
How did it go?
He refused giving me a listening ear.
What? Why?
Because I walked him out of this compound in a very bad manner the last time he visited here.
Was it the day he was with Miracle?
Yes.
He deserves what he got. It serves him right. So he should not even bear grudges against you.
Well, that is not going to be a problem. I'll help talk to him and get back to you.
Please do. And do everything within your powers to play this game with us and for us, please.
I will, Mom.
You go, Mom.
Wow, this is the best offer I've ever seen. A man giving to his daughter.
Yes, but though it sounds good, but
But what? No. Don't tell me you didn't take the offer.
I actually didn't. I did it.
Why?
We have a son in this house. We have a male child in this house. And he's the one that's supposed to be managing the family business and not me.
Rena, there is no law that states that the first son must be in charge of the family business. The running of the business is open for anyone.
I know. I know that I have a brother. He should be the one managing it. The only thing I have to do is just to assist him. Nothing else. I cannot do more than that too.
Do you know you are spewing the sugar placed in your mouth by your father?
Listen to me. I just want you to understand something. I am not an opportunist. And I will never be one, no matter what is at stake. I don't know how you will see it though, but me, I don't fancy all those things.
I think I need a glass of water.
Okay. No problem, let me get you.
Look, I'm sorry I can't render the help your brother is asking of me.
Why being harsh to myself and my brother? Why?
No, what are you
Come on, JT, it's me you're talking to.
What are you saying? I don't have issue with you. It's your brother, alright?
Look at you. You don't even know this is a business that is going to bring us good money.
Are you serious? It's
Yes.
about money.
Ooh.
No. Don't tell me you're joking. It's about money?
Look at you. I know you love money, bad boy.
How much are we talking about? How much are we talking about?
Okay, wait. Don't be in a hurry. You know what? I'm going to tell you. But definitely not in this place.
Where?
We're going to your house, in your arms, and maybe have some. Well, I tell you, crazy.
Are you sure that Miracle will be able to convince JT to do this?
Yes, of course, Mom.
Eh?
Yes.
How sure are you?
She is his babe, and she knows how to get into his head. She can do it.
Okay. Let's pray it works.
Mom, just relax your mind. It's going to work. I trust my sister.
What are you doing here?
I came to see my family. Is there anything wrong with it?
We cease to be family the very day you decided to work against us here.
Against you? How?
I know you don't know what I'm talking about, right? But I don't need to repeat myself like a broken record.
Well, I honestly do not know what you're talking about. Trust me, I don't know.
Pretense! Pretense! That is all you know. That is your game. But I am not here to hear all you have to say. Now leave.
Can I talk to you, Brother Kenny?
If you dare mention my name, I swear I am going to forget the fact that you are my little sister and tear you into pieces.
But I don't know why you are this angry. Like, what did I do? What's the problem?
You have done everything wrong, and if you don't leave here this minute, I swear you will be the one responsible for whatever that happened to you here. Get out,
little witch! Kindly come, people. Let us go. Let us go leave this witch here. Nonsense. Smelling pig.
You are lucky that my mother said, yeah, if I decided to go in and come back and
don't waste 1 second, yo! Don't waste 1 second!
Oh. Hi, sister.
Hi, Yuri. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're welcome. You came to see us?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to start going.
Why?
That is because Mommy didn't welcome me, so I need to leave now.
Oh my goodness, why would Mom do? You know what? I think Mom was in a bad mood. Okay, come sit, let's chat.
Don't worry, I'll probably come some other time.
Really? Okay, that will be fine. Feel free to come whenever you like, okay?
Alright.
Bye. Bye.
All I want is for peace to return and everything may be for us to live.
By the time we are done with you, you will regret coming into this family. Silly thing.
United and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fight. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no, but why? Why hating on one another? We should be strong together, cause together we stand, divided we fall. I wish we can come together as one.
Hello?
I was thinking you are an intelligent man. But little did I know that I was wrong all this while.
I feel you are calling wrong number. Check the number you just called and then you call the right one.
Am I not onto someone that calls himself Nkwachukwukwela?
Okay. What do you want?
Why did you ask your daughter to come beg me? Can't you be a man and come and ask your wife for forgiveness?
You must be developing some mental problems. How can you say that? I did not send you, Renna, to beg you for anything. You yourself, you should be the one teaching people about this man. Nkwachukwukwele ndị njikọ ọka The one you know cannot do a thing like that. What are you saying?
You see, one thing I hate about you is that you pretend a lot. Why don't you come yourself and ask me for forgiveness? In fact, you will come with a new car. I could possibly think about it and forgive you.
Listen to me. Michael Obadiegu, Esquire of blessed memory, taught me when I was very young to identify people that are serious and people who are not. I have identified you as one of those who are never serious.
I'm not serious, right? Hello? Hello? Hello?
You needed to see the way they humiliated me. The things that were coming out from their mouth, like the anger, you could see the bitterness.
They have given you a lot of signs that should anything happens to your father, you are gone.
I think at this point you're right.
Being right is an understatement. You understand me? So we need to brave up. Because should anything happen to your father,
I'll do something about this. Honestly.
There is nothing to do there. Your father, Chief, has given you the opportunity. So grab it. He has given you the opportunity to stand taller than them. Take that opportunity. Take the offer, please.
Kene.
Yes.
The only question I have is, can he do it? Because this is exclusively huge.
JT can do it. Taking Rena out of the way is the easiest thing.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I've always known my boyfriend is a bad boy. But I didn't know he was this bad. Taking someone out of the picture?
Miracle, that is because you do not want to know.
Honestly, this...
Miracle, how did it go?
It went well, Mom.
He's in?
It's solid, yes.
That's good. Did you tell him the nature of what he's coming to do for us?
I told him a bit more. He knows, but I would love Kenneth to explain to him in details.
I'm going to do that immediately.
That's right.
I need you to tell me, why in this world did you go to ridicule me before your mother?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
I need you to explain to me. Why will you go to your mother to tell her that I sent you to come and beg on my behalf?
Me? I didn't do that.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Do not lie to me. That's exactly what you did.
I've never lied to you. And I can't even start knowing full well you hate lies. I can't do such a thing.
So why will your mother tell me that you came to beg on my behalf? Why would she say that?
I didn't do that. Yes, I went there. I went there to talk to them, but they didn't even allow me to talk.
Why did you go there? Who sent you? Listen, stop fraternizing with them. There is a very dangerous game your mother is playing, and I want her to play that game to the very end. Stop going there. Before you are involved or before you will get caught in the web of my strike, because once she gets to the end of that game, I am going to strike. Do not be there, so that I do not strike my lovely daughter in the process. I am not going to say this again. If you are expecting to see me in that factory every week, then you are in for a very long thing. You are the one who is the manager now, and I need you to take charge. Listen, I am monitoring the books, and once I discover that things are not adding up, I will send you to jail. You may need to ask around. I have sent many managers to jail. I am not asking you not to steal, because one way or the other, stealing has been established as one of the secret codes in management. But in the culture that I am born into, stealing must be very far below the output. So whoever that is stealing should be able to do more and steal very less. Well, I have an appearance to make before the House Committee on Contracts, and that is where I am going. So if anything comes up, just send me a message. Do not call me. Thank you.
Greetings, Chief.
Just sit down. Just have a brief one. Kenechuku, I just need to know, why did you find it so easy to take all the lies that your mother cooked up against me? Why?
Chief, if this is the reason you called me here, I am sorry to tell you that I am not going to sit down here and have any discussion with you.
Well, I actually called you to discuss the family business because I am of the opinion that the time has come for you to take your rightful place. Because the way things are going, I may not be...
Hi, Chief. Let me tell you something. If you think that you can lure me to your side with the family business discussion, I am sorry to tell you that it's not going to work.
What?
Mpa, you can do better than this. I was thinking that you called me here in order to wire millions of money into my account so that I can go and celebrate as you are next of kin. Then come back, we discuss on how you are going to apologize to my mother for the wrong you did to her.
Why will you be asking me to apologize when I have not done anything? All the things that your mother said I did were all lies. I was accused wrongly for what I did not do.
Father, you did.
What?
Yes. And until you tender undiluted apology, there will be no room for any discussion.
And what are you doing?
Just look at what I'm doing. When I open this door and close it, what does that mean?
Kenechuku, you just walked out on me? That simply means he has walked out of his inheritance. Ultimately, I may end up forgiving his murder and the miracle. But you, Kenechuku, walking out of me, I will never forgive that. And you are not ever going to be part of anything that concerns me.
You look worked up. What's going on?
Mpa, you just wasted my time in vain. I was thinking that that man called me in order to give me serious money. And that was the only reason why I went there to answer him.
What did you do?
He thinks he's wise. By the time I am done with the chief, he will realize that he is just a foolish man.
Kenny, you still haven't said what he did.
Could you believe that chief called me with the sole aim of luring me to his side with a family business discussion? Can you believe?
Why is that so stubborn? Why can't he just apologize to everyone and we move past this? Why?
Exactly what I told him inside his mansion. I said until he tender undiluted apology to our mother, there will be no room for any discussion and we cease to be his children.
That's on period.
Good.
That's what is going to happen.
He's not around. He went out.
Go back to your little post. Come on, get away. Stupid fool. Hello, Chief. I'm in the house. My car is bad and I need a new one.
I need you to take a look around my compound. Does this place look like a place where they sell cars?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Bianca, I do not sell cars in my house. So if you need a new car, feel free to walk into any car mart of your choice.
Why are you provoking me with that argument? Other rich men buy car to their wives. Other rich men change car for their wives every 12 months. My own be different.
I am Chief Nkwachuku Welundinjikoka. I am me, not any other rich man. Why am I even wasting my time having this conversation with you?
Chief, don't. Hey. Chief called phone on me. Courtesy of Urina. I know she must be the one that is telling this man not to listen to me. I will so deal with that rat that next time she will learn her lessons. Nonsense. You have just confirmed to me the kind of person you are and the role you have been playing in all of this. Odogomanya.
How?
Asking me how? Pretender do the worst. You're always pretending, but it's okay. I am going to unmask you for the whole world to see the kind of color you possess.
But I still don't know what you're talking about, honestly.
How will you know? Oyoshi! How will you know? Anyway, I heard everything you told your father about me moments ago.
Me? Okay, so what did I tell you?
You told your father not to listen to me. Yes.
No.
Yes. And you also told him to kick me out and allow you, these tiny rats, and allow you so that only you will now live inside this house. Okay? It can be a betrayal for me.
I understand how you feel. I mean, it's okay to feel like that. But let me tell you the truth. I didn't say anything like that.
You said it.
I didn't.
I said you said it. I heard everything you told my beloved husband. I know you are going to deny all. I wasn't expecting you to agree that you said it. But I heard you vividly when you were telling my husband, my own beloved husband. You know what? You have drew a battle line between the both of us. And I will so forget that I gave birth to you and crush you into tiny pieces. And That is all the good news I am bringing to you today.
Why is that hatred? Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Why is that hatred? Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Why is that hatred? Tell me why, tell me why, why, oh, why is that hatred?
So what exactly do you want me to do with the girl you talked about?
We want you to go there and kidnap her and then take her out. You see that she's on a small size. Upload 3 feet, Lulugi. You go to buy a chair. Nobody will know.
That's all you want.
Yes.
Consider it done. All right. To the main business. I'll take 1 million naira for the job.
Come on, JT, that's too much. Calm down.
It's not too much. What are you saying? Yeah? No be chicken at 1 kilo, like human being. And to heal a human being requires a lot of works. What are you saying? Yeah? I need to do some cleaning, covering traces and all that. Yeah.
My guy, a very big guy, BJT. I know say no be chicken the one kill, na woman being the one make you buy. I beg you, they too much now just to buy this girl for us, nothing again. No. 1 million they too much now. I will just give you 500k. I beg.
We were never friends. Don't beg me like we are friends. We're never friends. Alright? If it's easy, go and do it. Go run out. Yeah? Okay. 500k.
I beg.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it because of you, baby.
Ah. You even want to collect money. And you're saying because of my daughter. Eh? As a killer, and you're interested in my daughter, you should have done it free of charge. Let me know that you have this love for her. You know that?
Opposite by kind. In that case, I'm going to send you the picture immediately on your WhatsApp.
Oh no, Kenny. No, don't do that. That will be act of leaving a digital footprint. It's not good. You don't leave traces of any footnote. So that is it.
Okay. Madam.
Oh, you're lecturing him. You gave birth to a fool. What?
My guy, I know invite you yesterday, you can insult me. For real. I beg.
Listen to me. Listen very good. I've been doing this business for years. I've never visited a police station. I've never been jailed. Don't make me see police station. Do not implicate me, because I will kill you. You know who I am. I will kill you. No, I promise. I'll gladly do it. You know who I am.
What did I do again?
So what you need to do is get me a hard copy of the picture. My boys will come and get it from you. Is that clear?
Now you come down and explain to me. Now I know be killer now. I tell you say na next of kin I be no be killer.
Is that clear?
It's fine to say.
Noted.
Hard copy. My boys will come and get it from you. Talk to your brother. So, to the main business. I will take 70% of the money. Once the deal is done, you pay the rest.
Big guy, 70% is not more.
Hello. Brother Kelly.
What is it?
We need to talk. We need to sit and talk.
We have absolutely nothing to talk about.
Brother Kelly, keep anger aside. We need to talk.
And I insist that we are not talking about anything.
Listen, Daddy is about to take a serious decision that will put all of us in jeopardy. We need to talk.
Okay. I can see you want me and you to come and sit down and talk about that useless man that you are controlling with Juju. Eh? You want me and you to come and sit down and talk about that your useless father. It's not going to work.
Listen, he wants to will all his properties to charity, and I think you need to discuss with him. You need to see him so you can talk. But I can't.
All I want is for peace to return and everything will be okay. For us to live as a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything will be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other with no fighting.
Tell me this guy just come now.
My guy.
How far now?
I do. Yeah. Now, a very big guy's NGT.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you be the person, huh?
And I'm the person.
I'm not saying now. With the package.
Now the consignment be this.
No while now. I go allow JT tell us say you don't bring the matter.
Yeah. I better make this work smooth very well, I beg.
No while.
Very, very important.
No while.
One more thing, I beg. They talk cho. Who go too much see me cheer on.
Like say you say they talk too much. Now may bounce now. Bounce. Yes. Go.
No wahala.
We'll bounce now. Oh yeah now.
Urena, if there is anything you want to say, I will plead with you to say it fast because I have a Zoom meeting that wants to start in the next few minutes.
Alright. So the thing is, after a long range of thought, I have agreed to become the next MD of the family business.
Now you are talking.
It's not like I don't like charity or I'm against charity. It's just that I feel it's somehow willing your properties to charity when you have children that can handle it in a most appropriate way.
Well, I don't have any problem with how you decide to feel. The feeling is yours. You are entitled to your opinion. But I remember telling you, and I hope you remember saying, when you take charge, you must not transfer any part of the family business to your mother or siblings. Understood?
Yes, you said it before.
I am doing all this not because I am wicked, but I just want to set the record straight. I need to tell the okra tree that no matter how tall it may decide to grow, it can never outgrow the owner who planted it. Thank you.
Hello CP. Hello. Ael. CP, that face not clear. The face not clear. Even the plate number 7, everything is soft, it's clear.
My friend, you know how best to go about this. Do you need my help?
No. You don't get no lily now. No lily. We'll feel on now. A small challenge.
Once you grab the lady, take her to her hideout.
No lele, no wahala, no wahala. Everything legit.
Yes, give me a call.
No wahala, CP. I hear you.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Ambara, good afternoon. How are you doing today?
I'm okay, sir.
Good.
Is Urena around?
No, Rena is not here. She stepped out, but I believe she will soon be back.
Okay, I will have to go and come back later.
Okay, can you come? Let's go. Sit down.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
What exactly do you do for a living?
Nothing for now, sir. I'm hoping for a job soon, by the grace of God.
What is your educational qualification?
I hold BSc in accounting.
Good. Have you done your NYSC?
Yes, Chief.
And you have no job. Okay, give your CV to Urena. I am certain she will be able to find something to fix you in the family business. She is the MD now.
Wow. I would do exactly that, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You help yourself. Run along.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so if the rice is not hot, tell them to microwave it.
Okay, ma.
Then I don't want to eat chicken today. You can just buy beef.
Okay, ma.
Alright.
Hey boys, what's up? Oh, good. A wonderful job. Alright, I will join you guys. Yes, I will join you later. Good.
I beg, eh? Did you see that car I parked here? No.
Which car? I don't know what you're talking about.
One Lexus
My
car.
friend, please get the phone. Please.
Hey! Now I parked the car now. No, madam no go fit drive now. Madam hand no go reach steering. No, nah. Wetin I go do? Hey, Chief go kill me today. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hello?
Hello, Chief. Chief, there is problem.
What happened?
Chief, I left small madam inside the car to go and buy food at the restaurant. On my way out, I did not see the car.
I do not understand.
The same thing with me, Chief. The same, I don't understand. I don't know what. Hey!
Wait, let me just understand what you are saying. My daughter is missing?
Exactly. It seems like, because I didn't see the car. I didn't see. Hey.
So where are you as you speak?
I'm still in the restaurant.
Can you find yourself home? Can you just find your way home?
Okay, Chief. Hey. Hey.
What is going on?
I'm sorry, please don't hurt me. I'm sorry. Sorry, please don't kill me. Don't hurt me.
Sit down.
I can't even see where I'm sitting, please.
The order for you is to sit down.
I'm sorry, please don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. Jesus. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm innocent. I don't want you. Don't kill me. Don't hurt me. Okay, see, my father is rich. Any amount you want, he will give it to you, please. Please.
You look like beggar for your eye.
Okay, just let me go. I will not cast you.
Cast who? Who you dey cast? So you look us like MTN mass where you dey cast? Eh? You dey find yourself for where? Just shut up your mouth there as you did there. Shut up!
Good day, Chief.
What exactly did you say happened to my daughter?
Exactly what I told you over the phone, Chief. I left her in the car and went to the restaurant to get the food. On my way out, the car is nowhere to be found.
I don't understand. Does it mean there are no people that were standing there?
Chief, you know how busy the restaurant is. There are people around.
I am suspecting my daughter may have been abducted. And this was clearly done by professionals. What is going on? Just leave.
Boss.
Welcome, boss. Welcome.
Where is the lady?
That's not the lady with this. Shh. Shut up. The package.
Are you stupid? I said, where is the lady?
Boss, now the package with this. Now what is the picture where they give us? The cap.
Hey, listen to me. The order was for you to go out there and grab a lady, not a child.
Yes, boss. Now the lady be this. Now this one did the picture. Shut up.
Where is the lady? Boss, are you fucking kidding me?
Boss,
she's a lady.
I'm not kidding you now, bro. Boss, now the lady.
Shut your mouth.
Now the person where the picture with this one.
No, I'm not the lady.
Shut up!
I'm not the lady.
Picture.
Don't force me to say what that. I'm not the lady, oh. I don't know them. I'm the child. This thing is pointing me, so you will not mistakenly shoot me. I'm not the lady.
No. She's still a minor. No, I can't kill a child.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. I'm not the lady.
You know why?
Boss, it's not clear.
I have a daughter at home. And anybody who dares to touch my daughter, I swear to God, I will wipe away his entire family. So what I wouldn't allow anybody do to me, I will not do it to somebody else. Take her home.
Boss, we don't know where she is still.
I will pay you my house.
Make her tell you.
Show you.
Boss.
Father, give me again, oh!
Take you home, you home. Where you go?
Take me home now. He says to take me home now. You want to disobey your boss?
Yeti, Afana, Joy, don't they? You don't buy her.
I couldn't kill the girl you asked me to kill. She's a minor.
I don't understand you. How do you mean?
She's a lad, and she still have a long way to go.
What be this one way they talk about like this? That girl is above 20 now. She's above 20.
Oh, come on. I know who you are. You're just blabbing.
Buy that girl for me now. Now my little sister be that. Clear that girl for me. Get waiting they get the block. I don't understand this guy.
Hold on. You sent me to kill your own sister.
My last born for them. Now my last born.
Are you stupid? Are you this evil? You sent me to kill your sister. Are you mad? Now listen to me. I don't want to ever see you anywhere around me. I swear to God I will behead you. You know who I am. I am not playing. I'll kill you. I will kill you.
Nah, I know they like to do business with this kind of people. I tell my sister, see something where we say the people money people they buy people. You need your own like you can't carry him emotion put inside. Wait, you concern you don't be my sister? If you kill her, don't be my own head, the blood go there. Which kind of nonsense people with this one? No, but somebody very big and this nothing inside this guy, yo. Make I even call my sister and say, which kind of nonsense is this? Buy somebody from ordinary fine person. You got emotion put inside. Something where other criminals they do for free. You reach your own turn now. You got emotion put inside. Which kind of nonsense is this?
That guy is very stupid. He's the most foolish, incompetent, frustrated idiot I have ever seen all my life. Kenny, are you sure you told him all you just told us?
Miracle, I have no reason lying against him. Listen, I was even begging that idiot to even kill that child, let the blood be on my head. He nearly fought me.
What is his business with the size and age of the person we want him to take out of the way?
I don't know.
I regret giving this guy this job. Oh my goodness.
You know what we're going to do now? We have to re-strategize and attack.
It will not work again. We lost our best chance.
Hey.
Why do you say so, Mom?
That man I married will never allow that to happen again. We have lost it. We have lost it.
Hey. You're a very useless big guy. Very hopeless fellow.
As it is, I do not have any other option than to get the police involved.
Exactly. That is what I want my Oga to do.
Daddy!
You are back?
Yes, I'm back.
What happened?
I was kidnapped.
How did it happen?
It's a long story. Don't worry, the good news there is that I'm back. I've regained my freedom. I'm going to tell you everything, how it happened.
Leave us.
Okay, sir.
Can you talk to me?
Why is that hatred? Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Why is that hatred? Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Why is that hate?
Urenna, can you tell me what is going on and why are you the one signing all the letters that are going out?
That is because I am now the new boss.
What do you mean?
I'm now the new managing director of the family business, both here in Nigeria and abroad.
You are funny. And you are joking. I am not here for one of your jokes. Where is Chief?
He went to play golf.
Wasted my time coming here. Nonsense.
Reality will catch up with you very soon.
It is time you end whatever you have with that good-for-nothing criminal and find yourself a good man.
Mom, I love JT so much. I cannot leave.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth, my friend. What do you know about love? That boy is good for nothing, and I want you to end whatever you have with him.
Mom, I cannot live without him. He's my life, and...
No, what is it? Why is your face like this?
Man, Mpani, yeah, your husband, Chief, is bent on disgracing us. And he has already taken a step towards that direction.
What are you talking about?
I discovered that little girl, Urenna, has been the one signing all the letters that are going out. I went to ask why such is happening. Could you believe what that little girl said to my face? That she is now the new MD of the family business.
What? Zilai, no, that's impossible. That's impossible. Chief cannot do a thing like this. How?
Mine, your husband has done it already.
Kenny, are you for real?
So, how is the business going?
Hectic. I don't know. Is this how you have been doing this business? From one business call to another, from one business meeting to another, from one document to another?
The truth is that I count myself lucky to have established that business when I was much younger. I was able to coordinate things with the strength of the youth. I was able to handle all the challenges that come with business because I was young and dedicated.
It's not easy.
Of course. If anybody tells you it is easy, the person is deceiving you. It is not easy, but with dedication, you will turn things around and you will succeed.
Sure, I'll succeed.
That is the spirit. I always like to see you say things in the positive way. You will succeed.
Daddy.
Yeah, what is it?
I actually want us to talk about something. In fact, I have a lot of things I want us to talk about.
You are always free to open up any kind of discussion with me. Feel free always. What is it?
So what do I owe this visit?
So it is true. It is true that my husband has handed over his business empire to you.
Yes. Do you have any problem with that?
How did you do it?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? You know, this has nothing to do with diabolism. I mean, I'm just there.
Of course you would never agree to that. Well, we are here to inform you that this office you occupy belongs to Kenny. So if you know what is good for you, when you get home, tell Daddy that you are not interested that Kenneth should come and occupy this office.
It's not possible.
Are you insane? Ah! Miracle!
You know you actually cannot do that. You're in my office. Please respect yourself.
Miracle! No. Just calm down. Mommy, can you imagine? Miracle, I said calm down. Allow her to go home. She will definitely do as you have demanded.
And I won't do it. It's too late. Trust me. I won't do it. I won't do it.
If you did not do as we have said, then you have us to contend with.
Okay.
I
am ready.
I want to
see you in my office right now.
What is she doing?
Miracle. Let us go. Kaina, ubochi ntakacho no orange.
All of a sudden, you're interested in family business. As long as I live, those are plans in your work.
Well, the decision is already made, and I want you to accept it in good faith.
We will not accept such decision.
May I know why?
Chief, your decision to hand over the family business to Urena, the last child of the family, is not acceptable. It's denial in nature.
Well, I must have to admit before you that you may have a point.
Then you have to demote her to a resource manager or personnel manager, Daddy.
Oh.
That is what you have to do.
Well, that is what you are suggesting, and I do not have any problem with that because you are entitled to your opinion. But the issue here is that I have made a decision and there is no going back.
Chief, you have to go back. Oh. You have to go back to that decision because we can never take no for an answer.
You can never take no for an answer?
Yes.
Well, I can see you do not have any other thing to discuss. And I will ask you to use the gate. Do not force me to call the police because if I call them, they arrive with the speed of light.
Chief, are you working out on us? Daddy? Chief! Are we going again?
Mommy, Urena sure has a tight grip on Dad. I suggest we go spiritual.
When I'm telling you people, you think I am just blabbing. Okay, forget. Have you seen it?
The best for you. Why are you hating a family member? Your own blood. What is the cost? Oh, why the disunity? Oh, why this is getting out of hand? Why the hatred? Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Why the hatred? Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Why is the hatred? Tell me why, tell me why. Why, oh, why is the hatred? Tell me why, so why, oh, why are you hating on someone who only meant the best for you? Why are you hating a family member? Your own blood, what is the cost? Oh, why the disunity? Oh, why this is getting out of hand? Why the hatred? Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why.
Mike. Mira.
Dad refused to change his mind.
I knew it. I knew it. At this point now, Mpanyi is the one looking for my trouble. Chief is seriously looking for my trouble and I am going to give him overdose of it. How can he place that useless Urenna above me in the chains of the family business? How can he? No, you have to do something. You really need to do something.
Mom, Kenna is very right. The man we are talking about here is your husband. You have to do everything within your power to get him to your side. I will try.
No, don't just try. Do it immediately. Don't just try. Do it immediately.
Look, I said I would do it. Why are you shouting? Eh? Why are you shouting at me? Mommy, when are we expecting a result?
Soon. Yeah, I have you seen it. Now, if you get that now, Mom, I know Mpanyi very well. I see. Don't worry. Is it not that useless girl? I am going to kill her. No nonsense. I said it.
See, Kene, I'm with you on 100. Whatever you want to do, I am with you.
I am going to kill that Urenna at this point. I will finish that girl.
I don't even mind.
Nonsense. I don't blame her.
Why did you block madam?
Call that little girl to come down.
Call who? My madam?
Tell that little girl to come down.
Now my madam, they call little girl? Madam, your brother, he blocked? Okay.
What's the meaning of this?
I was thinking that you are not going to come down and have this discussion with me.
So what is the problem?
Urenna, that position you are occupying belongs to me. And as the first... Wait, I'm not done. And as the first son of this family, I am commanding you to relinquish it to me.
So can I remind you something? When this position was up for grab, I called you. I called you repeatedly, but you showed no interest. Now I'm going to shock you. I've taken it. And I've taken it forever.
It's a lie. Urenna, you lie! You can never take my own position. Are you hearing what I'm saying? I am going to take that position back, either in peace or in pieces. I don't care.
It's not going to happen. Trust me.
Then get ready. You are going to die for me to claim my position.
You can't do anything to me. Mr. Man, please take off that. That's trash.
You said I cannot do anything to you.
I will instruct him to eat your car. I will instruct him. I know you don't have any money to fix it. Remember, you don't have any money to fix it.
I know that I don't have any money to fix it, man. I tell him to try it now. You will hear from me. Don't worry.
Why is that hatred? Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Why is that hatred? Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Why is that hatred? Tell me why. Tell me why. Why? Oh, why is that hatred? Tell me why. So why? Oh, why are you hating on someone who only meant the best for you?
Fine. I'm sorry that I did not inform you before coming to your house. That is what I've always been doing. You invade people's privacies without informing them. I don't understand what that means. I don't have a problem with that.
Anyways, emergency came up, so I have to come to your house immediately.
You have like 15 seconds to state your mission because I am actually going somewhere and I'm in a hurry.
Barry, please, I need a huge amount of money for my important needs.
Well, it is unfortunate
that I am no longer the one who is in charge of family funds.
Who is now in charge?
Urenna is the one in charge. And if you need money, like you just said, you have to go to her. Tell her how much you need and then state what you need the money for. I am certain if you are able to satisfy her, she will give you the money.
Did you just say that?
When a man like Nkwachukwu Kwelondin Jikoka speaks, you should be able to understand what that means. And if actually you are sure you need money, do just that. Find your way out, please, when you are done.
I don't understand though. So I have to go through Remna before I can get money for myself. In my own father's company. In my own father's mansion. I will not take that one.
Miracle. All these things happening, I don't know what to do about it. Why is your face like this? Huh? I guess it didn't go well. You could talk to us now. What happened?
Man, I have never been this humiliated before.
Cut this drama. What happened?
I went to Mpany for money. Instead of Chief giving me money as his first and only son, Mpany has the guts to refer me to that little Urenna for money. That Urenna is now the one in charge of the family business, in charge of the family affairs. That if I need money or anybody need money, we should go to Urenna and request for money and also tell her what we need the money for.
Hey!
Imagine the insult.
What? Hey!
A whole next of kin without money.
Hey! Your father cannot do a thing like this.
He's already doing it. My father is your husband and you promised me that you are going to solve this matter. Up till now, nothing has been done. Is it until I kill one person in this family, you will handle this?
Nkwachukwukwelo, why are you digging your own grave? Why?
Nduka, just open the gate. Let her come in.
Why are you intimidating your own son? What is his offense?
He ceased to be my son. The very moment he decided to believe you instead of me, and then he left with you.
Wait. Is this the reason you are treating your son as nobody?
I have not even started with him. By the time I am done with him, he will regret ever calling me a liar indirectly and then believing the mother, living with her.
That sounds like a threat.
Deal with it.
Kenechukwu needs money to take care of his personal things.
Well, I've already told him what he has to do. If actually he needs money, he knows what to do to have the money.
How can Kenechukwu go to his younger sister to ask for money? Kenechukwu is the one supposed to be managing the business of the family.
Well, he has to go to the younger sister to ask for money because the younger sister is now the one managing the family business. That is one. The second is that Kenechukwu was supposed to be the one managing the family business, but he showed zero interest.
He was only being a kid.
I do not have a problem with him being a kid. Let him continue being a kid. But the younger sister the kid sister who should be a kid has actually become a woman.
Unbelievable. Are you working out on me? Chief, are you working out on me?
You may not need to force me to give specific instructions because you will not like it. Please.
Chief!
Kenny, as you can see, there is no money in this house. We don't even have an option. See, I suggest you go to Reina and ask her for money. That's the only option we are left with.
No. I will never do that. I can do every other thing, but going to Reina to beg her for money, I am not going to do it.
So how does begging her for money reduce you?
It will actually reduce me to 0. What of my integrity? I should go and beg that little child for money, my own father's money. I am not going to do it.
Kenny, you're getting this whole thing wrong. Broke and integrity, they do not go together. What matters is you get the money from her and that's it.
Let me even ask you, how am I even going to present my mouth and beg Urenna for money? That little Urenna will go and sit down and start begging Urenna to give me money, my own father's money. It is not going to work. I am not going there.
I understand what you're saying. But at this point, it doesn't matter. You have to remove all the pride you have. We need money.
I don't blame Urenna. I don't blame that little child. Chief said that you should give me money.
Come this way, Mr. Man.
I don't understand. Are you sick in the head? Chief said you should give me money.
I'm aware of that already. Please sit.
And what does that supposed to
I
mean?
said sit. Let's make it official. Sit.
I don't understand. What?
Do you want to beat me? Do you know who you're talking to? You're talking with the MD, the CEO of this company. So respect yourself. Sit.
Urenda, don't get me angry. Let me have that money now.
Since you're not ready. I guess you have the money to replace that chain if you spoil it. So what do you want to do with the money?
Are you sick in the head? Are you mad? Must I tell you what I want to do with the money before you can give it to me?
Once again, mind the way you talk to me. And I asked a question that requires an answer. What do you want to do with the money?
I am not telling you anything.
Fine. Then case dismissed. I don't have any business with you.
Don't provoke me, Urenna. Wire that money into my account. Let me leave here this minute. Are you not hearing what I'm saying?
If you're not ready to tell me what you're doing with the money, then I think you should leave my office now.
There is no problem. Mpani will solve this problem. I can see that. I can see you want to insult me.
If you want any money from this company, you have to come up with a business idea in written. The days of giving free money is gone. Yes. So you have to work for it.
So you want to insult me in my own father's company?
You can leave.
Pardon, ma. There is no. I will come back.
I'm going to call the securities.
Police. Na company bank you police. There is no problem.
Ahmed.
Why are you so agitated? You're not being your normal self. Your friend Urena is getting on our nerves. She's doing everything possible to stop us from enjoying our father's wealth. And what exactly did she do? She's painting us black to make sure that Chief does not give us money. The Urena that I know cannot do what you just said. Really? That means you do not even know your friend. This is what she's been doing and I have my evidence. Well, if that is what she did, I think it's bad. I'm glad you know it's bad. You know what we are going to do? We are going to treat her the way a hungry lion will. And we will not stop until she's dead. No. It has not got into that. Okay? Come on. It's hers. If you sincerely love your friend, tell her things are getting out of hand.
Why is that hatred? Tell me why. Why is that?
Maybe she is right. I am going to think about a bogus business I will be presenting to her as my business plan. I am even going to add excess money to the original money that I needed before. Nonsense. The worst mistake she made was asking me to present a business plan. I am going to use this opportunity and loot excess money out of the family's account. Nonsense. A little child talking to me like that way. I will teach them a lesson. I should present a budget. I am going to bring, if it is possible, I'm going to present a state budget to her. How can a little child will be talking to me that way? A baby that I betted talking to me that way. I don't blame her. I am going to use this opportunity to loot money from that family. There is no problem.
No, don't worry, just forget about it. Nothing will happen, don't worry.
Urena, this is not the kind of matter that can be swept under the carpet. I saw anger in harming you in her eyes.
And I said you should forget about it. They cannot do anything. See, I am bigger than them. So that is why I'm sure that they can't do anything to me.
Okay, if you say so, you just have to be very careful. I said so,
and I'm careful. You're just bothering yourself too much. I made something. What do I offer you?
What did you cook?
Bitter leaf soup.
No. I'm very hungry. I beg, give me something.
You eat. Don't condemn me to when you taste.
Kenny, how did he go?
Can you believe that little idiot said that I must tell her what I'm going to do with the money before she can give it to me?
She did?
Of course. And I don't blame her. Mpanyi is the one doing all this. He wants to hide under Urena to humiliate us. It's not going to work.
Yeah. But wait first, Kenny. Are you saying she didn't give you any money at all?
Urena did not give me any shishi.
So, what are we going to do now? This is serious. How do we even feed today?
I don't have answers to that question. I can't even believe it. That useless child, that stupid fool, sat on my belly before and saying to my face that I have to present a business plan in written to her. Urena said it to my face without being scared of what I am going to do to her.
That's got to... Business what?
Plan in written.
Kenny, what are we going to do?
She has just killed herself.
What do you mean?
Just leave that part for me. I'm going to handle her.
Kenny, I beg, I figure like 3K from you. There's something I want to buy.
Mira, myself, I'm not gonna understand you again. I just explain everything now. I look like a person who get 3K. I get 3K now. My condition dey like this. If I go fit, if not be say the man just the guide himself, or just melt 1 or 2, make I take the okay. I don't want to see finish from buying and do them now. He said, I give you the 3K. Just go and check my card. There's one single phone, no even the inside.
I guess you now have a business plan.
Yes.
Fine. So, can I see it?
I want to go into importation of baby wears, ranging from their clothes and shoes.
That's good. So, did you also conduct a feasibility study for the business?
Everything is in my head.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Everything is in your head. So I should cut off your head and submit to the company as a business proposal? I don't understand. Do you think I'm joking with you? No, I should cut off your head and submit to the company as a business proposal, right? Do you think I'm jobless? Am I joking with you?
Listen to me. There is nothing difficult for you not to understand here. You requested for a business plan, and I just came up with the idea of importation of baby's wears. I don't understand this.
Obvious, young man. It is very obvious you didn't understand what I asked you to get. A business plan is a written document that should have the business you intend doing, how you intend growing it, expanding it, and so on. It's not about just talking out.
I can see that you want to insult me, but it's not going to work. It is not going to work, and I am going to have that money, whether you like it or not. I must have that money. Okay. What is the problem?
Let me say how you get the money.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes.
You are very, very sick.
You two are very...
Is that drugging, man?
You could have just come with a knife. Let me cut off your head.
Are you mad?
You could have come with a knife.
Are you mad?
You probably cut your head yourself and bring it to me.
You asked me to bring a business plan, and I come up with an idea.
Please, young man, leave my office right now.
Is it your money?
Leave my office.
Is this your office? Are you sick? Nonsense! I'm talking and you're pressing the phone. Urenna, we shall see. If I go, is it you? We shall see.
Good afternoon, sir.
Amora, good afternoon. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir.
Please sit down.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You said over the phone there is something you want to discuss with me.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay, sir. 2 days ago, Miracle, your daughter, called me for a meeting. And in that meeting, she said that Urena is standing on their way. And if she doesn't get out of their way, that they are going to deal with her. You see, I spoke to Urena about it, but she didn't take me serious. Sir, I must be honest with you. I saw anger and determination to harm Urena in Miracle's eyes.
Well, I must have to thank you for finding courage to bring this to my notice. I appreciate it. And I will take it up from there.
Okay, sir.
Good.
I will have to take my leave, sir.
Yes, hold on. Let me get you something for transport. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Kenneth, she's right.
Miracle. Don't tell me that you're already supporting her.
Of course I'm not supporting her. But every business plan must be documented. You do not expect her to just give you money simply because you say you need it.
I don't understand your point. Are you indirectly telling me now I should go and sit and write a business proposal for ordinary Urenna, that little girl?
Kenny, that little girl ceases to be a small child the moment Dad handed everything to her. The position she occupies now is beginning to get into her head. And the best thing we can do is to play along with her tactics.
Never. I am not going to play along. I will not do it. I need money badly and she will be the one. Urenna will be the one that will give me that money.
Of course you will. Just play her. If you do not know how to get a business plan, you can consult an AI. That way you submit to her and you get your money. Okay?
I don't understand. Eh? What kind of suffering is this? Does she enjoy tossing me around?
Kenny, we have to do what we have to do first. The questions can come later.
Well, I know you will be wondering why I sent for you. I sent for you because I heard it on good note that you people are planning to harm Urenna. Why? May I know why?
Who told you?
Well, it is not your business to bother yourself about who told me. I learnt it on good authority that you people are planning to harm Urenna. And I have called you here to warn you. Stay very far away from that young woman or you will have me to contend with.
Daddy, I am very much aware that Urenna told you this. But we have no such plans.
I was not actually expecting you to agree. You will always deny. I know. But let me tell you, whatever plan you are setting up, dismantle it, or you will have me to contend with.
That will be nice.
Take. That is for your transport.
Bye. Urenna is actually holding chief with a very strong charm.
Didn't I tell you people? When I was telling you people you think I am joking, have you seen it? Unafugia. Now you can understand me better.
Mine. This is a check of 1 million naira without any name. I will just write my name here and go and claim the money immediately.
You must be very stupid. How can you write a name in a check my own husband gave to me?
My father here actually, he gave the check to me now.
Mommy, why do you always claim that when money is involved? No, you cannot do that.
Is he a husband?
I will not agree. I will not agree.
What is this? What is this?
To have access to my own father's money, I have to present a business proposal. When will all this one end?
Kenny, what is it? You look troubled.
I don't know how I am going to get this business proposal. A business proposal that will convince Urenna to give me this money.
It's fine, let me see what you've written.
I have not even written anything because I don't know what to write. Look at it, this is the page. Nanya, I have not written anything. Look at it.
Kenny, I thought I told you to use an AI.
This is the problem I'm having with each and every one of you. You people are telling me use AI, use AI. What is AI and where is AI from?
Wait, you mean you don't know what an AI is? Or how to use it?
Listen, I don't want you to insult me. After all, if I get this money now, you will be the one to squander it. If you can use this your so-called AI, come and start using it immediately. We don't have time. Come and use it. Go, come and use the AI.
Honestly, Kenneth, sometimes you act dumb.
Eh?
It's fine, let me just tell.
Now that the plan to take Urena out of the way is scattered, what do we do?
Our best option right now is to go after Mbany.
How do you mean?
Taking him out of the way.
Wait. How? Wait, are you in any way insinuating we should kill our father?
Yes, of course. A dad who will not help his children to live better does not deserve to live. In that case, we have to take him out of the way.
It has not gotten to the point of killing my husband. That man is my husband and is your father.
Mine, at this point, it has gotten to that extent. For the past 5 years, this man has refused to take good care of us. We beg him for money. He will not give us a reasonable amount of money. We will beg him to change our cars. Mbanye will refuse. So, of what use is he to us? The best thing we should do now is to take him out of the way so that we can face Urena. Yes, once we take him out of the way, Urena will now be very small. I will finish her up.
Honestly, Kenny, I'm beginning to see reasons with what you just said.
Good.
Hey, if we take our father out of the picture, Urena becomes easier.
Oh.
Because it's actually our father that is supporting Urena. That way, if we take him out of the picture, it will be very easy to amass our father as well.
Very, very fantastic.
We'll drive any kind of car we want to drive. Go to Hawaii, Dubai, wherever, Maldives.
Yes, me, I'm going for Rolls Royce Phantom. Yes. Or 22 or 20 or the latest model G-Wagon. That's what I want.
This kind of easy. Your own thoughts are haywire. What's this one?
Am I not the next of kin?
Okay. Who am I? Since the both of you have made up your mind, I will not be a stumbling block to what we want to achieve.
Good. That's my mother speaking.
So, how do we go about it now?
This is where I will now follow. Miracle here will be the best person to do that job. Yes, because after everything that happened, despite all the wrongs we did before, he still trusts you. So, I am appointing you now to do that job. You are the best candidate for that.
How? Hey. See the latest CEO in town. Wow.
How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
I hope it wasn't hard for you to look at this place.
For where? No. This place is very beautiful. Wow.
Thank you. So please, can I have your CV? Did you come with it?
I rather forget myself than to forget the CVO. Look at it here. Oh.
Let me just make sure it's... Okay, you studied business management.
Yes.
Nice. So I know where to fix you.
And I'll work optimally if you fix me anywhere.
Okay. That is why I'll fix you in a good place.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
But you came late. I was
Sorry.
about leaving.
So sorry.
So next time you shouldn't come late.
I won't.
Alright. Let's go.
be that now?
I'm sorry, Dad.
I need to know. What are you doing here and why are you carrying a bag?
Dad, I've come to realize that you're innocent of all Mom accused you of. I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
Yes. Daddy, please find a place in your heart and forgive. She sowed a seed of discord and disunity between us. I'm sorry, I've turned a new leaf. Please forgive me, Daddy.
You've turned a new leaf?
Yes.
And now you realize I am innocent of all your mother's accusations?
Yes, Daddy.
This is interesting. This is the most beautiful part of all these things, is that you now know I am innocent. That is the only thing that matters to me.
Yes, you're a man of honor, Daddy, and I promise to be of good behavior from now on. I'm changed.
This is nice. Stand up. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Daddy.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
Take your bag inside. Your room is still there. It has always been there.
Thank you, Daddy.
Take your things inside. We will talk later. This is nice.
I just pray Mira succeeds. I pray. How far?
Guess what, Mommy? He accepted me back.
Oh, beautiful.
So, what next?
Just go to the kitchen and prepare his favorite and then lace it with that poison.
Remind me again, what's his favorite food?
And then get him a soft fufu to go down with it. That's it.
Okay, Mommy, I'll do just that.
And I'll be waiting to hear from you. Yeah?
Okay.
Good afternoon, Chief.
I can see there is something you are itching to say.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, you know, you say I dey like mind my business, Chief, for this compound, but for this one, I know let them make. I don't think keep quiet.
What is it?
Chief, see as you just accept her, man. You just allow me enter compound, relax. You know, you even tell me enter house. Can't go relax. You go there inside now, relax.
No. This one no stew.
Why will you say that?
See, what these people don't do you before? You suppose they like go dey inside brain say yeah, these people they do me bad thing. You know be say you be gallant man like this now. All this thing now, if they for don't talk about say you don't move. No good though. I know me, I know.
Well, I am not going to claim I do not know where you are coming from. But you need to understand she is my daughter. She is my family. And I've always been praying for a day to come when they will realize they are making a mistake and come back to their senses. Now that it is happening, do you think I would throw that out? No.
See, me no dey talk see me throw out. I don't know, my mind dey tell me say this guy no carry better mind come back.
It's okay. It's okay. I thank you very much for your concern, but I will be fine. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Take care, sir. Thank you, sir.
Here is the business proposal.
I'll just leave it here tomorrow. I'll go through it and get back to you.
I don't understand. I thought you were supposed to go through it, then wire the money into my account immediately.
Is it that you didn't get what I said? I said I will go through it tomorrow. After that, I'll make amends where necessary, then call you to come defend what you wrote.
I don't understand what you are trying to say. I should come and sit down and defend what I copied from AI.
What you copied from AI? You're very shameless. You're so shameless. What do you mean by what you copied? Just a business proposal, a business plan. You want to copy from AI? Okay, fine. I don't have any problem with that. You can call the AI to come and defend it for you. I don't mind.
You are very, very stupid. I can see that you are sick in the head.
Please don't insult me again. Don't do it.
And if I insult you, what are you going to do? Why will you ask me to go and write a business proposal when you know very well that you are not going to give me the money? Are you mad? You are not the owner of this money. Sign this money into my account. What is the problem?
You are not going to beat me, or will you? Will you beat me?
Okay, because you know that I'm not going to beat you. That is why you are doing this to me.
Yes, you can't do anything to me. You have to dance to my beat.
Why should I dance to your beat?
Fine.
Are you the owner of this company?
Just leave! Leave! Stop stressing me. Leave!
I don't blame you. I'm buying the I'm buying now. I'm buying the
Get the hell out of my office!
If you shout at me again, I'm going to forget the fact that you are my little sister and beat the hell out of you.
Beat me. Then do it. Do it and rot in jail. Beat me and rot in jail. Is it because I'm respecting you? Now slap me and rot in jail.
I'm fine.
Your food is ready.
You cooked?
Yes.
What did you cook?
I made your favorites. Onipo, mangala, oboroko, everything you like.
That means I'm going to enjoy myself today.
What are you doing here?
Welcome, Uri. I apologize to Daddy and I'm here to make amends.
Not yet. What? In fact, leave this house now.
You didn't say that.
I said it. Leave now.
Uri, can you stop? We're still sisters.
I'll call the security to bundle you out. Just leave.
You won't do that.
Ndoka! Ndoka! Please bundle her out of this house now.
Wait.
Uri, see, we can talk, Daddy. You need to talk to her. You cannot watch her tell me to go out of my
Bundle
father's
her
house.
out of this compound now.
Daddy, say something. Uri, Daddy, say. Don't push me. I ain't saying. No, don't. Leave me alone. Can you leave? Stop pushing me. I ain't saying. Leave me alone. Daddy, leave me alone.
Bye.
Hey, open this gate.
That's fine. The good news is that I'm now used to the stress.
But I told you. I told you will get used to it. Good thing you have gotten used to it.
Yes. Let me go and freshen up.
It's alright. Just go in and take charge of things. Problem here and there.
Doubt. And it is very obvious that Urenna does not want to give me money. That is why she is coming up with all this useless business proposal. It is very clear to me, and I am done with this nonsense. I am done. I am done being humiliated by that useless little child. A small girl I know the very first day she came into this world. I am done. The next time I am going to visit that office, nonsense. I don't blame you. You can blame me.
Mira. Is he dead? No. Eh? Why did you come back now?
Mom, I laced his food with the poison.
Mm-hmm.
And I came to call him that his food was ready.
Ginemezi.
He was excited I made his favorite meal. And boom! Urena came from nowhere and ordered me out of my father's house.
Eh? Hey! Hey! So, what did your father say or do when Urena ordered you out of the house? Eh?
He practically did nothing.
Huh?
Oh, God. Mom.
So your father did not do anything? He just watched Urena order you out of the house?
God. Mommy needed to see the way I was bundled out of my father's compound like a criminal. I have never been humiliated, tortured like that in my life. I feel so much pain.
Where is your bag, your troller?
It's in the passage.
Don't worry. I will make sure you go back there to complete this mission.
Why is that hatred? Oh, tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Oh, why is that hatred? Yeah. Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Oh, why is that hatred? Tell me why, tell me why.
Thank God I met you at home.
What do you want?
Miracle told me what happened here yesterday, and I came to know why you allow such thing to happen.
So many things happened here yesterday. Which of them are you referring to?
Urena ordered her out of this house, and you were there. You did not do anything or say anything.
That is absolutely correct.
Please, may I know why?
The reason is very simple. Your exit from this house with Keneshuku and the miracle dismantled whatever structure you believe you had here. Okay? There is a new order now. Urena is the one in charge of things. In fact, she is the one in charge of this house. I can actually say that this house belongs to her. So whoever she decides to allow to stay, stays. And whoever she sacks, or is sacked. It's as simple as that.
Chief, you're taking this too far, and I don't like it.
You actually know why I came out here to sit and wait for you? Because my good man called me to let me know you have been outside making noise. Now that you have said what you believe you came to say, can I please be left alone?
That I'm making noise. Okay, that's by the way. The other day I came here, I complained to you that my car is bad, that I need a new car. You did not say anything up until now.
I did not say anything about it because I am no longer the one in charge of the family business. The family business now has a new administrator. And if you believe you need a new car and you believe that that new car must come from the family business, then you go and discuss with the new administrator. And I am certain that if the new administrator believes that you need a car, she is going to give you the new car. It's as simple as that.
Chimo, please, may I know who this new administrator is?
Beautiful daughter of mine, Urena Umam. She is the new administrator.
So I should go and meet that little brat to complain about my car?
Listen, you may say anything you want to say, but I am not going to allow you to say demeaning things about my daughter. Don't even try it.
Chief, this is a big slap on my face, and I will not take it.
And the slap is going to continue. You slapped yourself the very minute you decided to leave this place with your children. If you are not careful the way you are going, the slap is going to remain permanent. Honestly.
Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not just saying it. I am communicating this to you. And I thank God you are here listening to me one-on-one.
Okay. Where is Urena? Where is she?
Oh, man.
Where is that Urena? Hey, please. Keep this greeting to yourself. I don't need it.
What is the problem?
I don't want anything. Please, I don't need your problem now. Okay? Your father said I should tell you about my car so that you send me money to renew my car. And the worth of the car I want to buy is 50 million naira. Please, can you send it now? I don't have time.
So what is the name of the car you intend buying?
What is your problem about the name of the car I want to buy? Send me the money, please.
I cannot give you money to buy what I don't know. I just need to know the name.
Yay!
Okay. So what happened to your car?
Another question. Okay. If you must know, my car knocked engine.
Then that is not a big problem. We can buy a brand new engine for that matter. It's not a big deal.
Urena, do you know how much a new engine may cost? I don't want to banter words with you. Just send 50 million naira to my...
That is not a big deal. Like I said, I have a mechanic. I can call him to come pick your car and they'll work on it. Your car will be perfect, trust me. So don't worry, I'll send my mechanic to come pick the car. I'll give him the address to your house. He'll come pick it then. I'm coming.
Have a wonderful day.
Alright, Daddy.
Chief, this is getting out of hand. Chief.
You know, right?
Chief, what was all this drama that just happened now?
I'm not aware of any drama. What was the drama?
So you actually positioned this little brat to insult.
Can you stop calling her brat? I take exception to that. I listened to everything that was said. There was no insult. Why are you smuggling insult into it? I don't understand.
Anyway, for the records, she has just given me a polite insult.
What was the insult?
And I am thanking you for that.
What was the insult? What was the insult? You want something that you cannot present properly and you are calling it an insult?
Who is she to refuse giving me money?
She is the one who is now in charge. Make your presentation like someone who has gone to proper school. And I am sure your daughter will listen. That woman you are calling a brat is actually your daughter. Do not forget that.
Chief, I cannot take this rubbish. Never.
Even her enemies, they give her credit that she makes the best decisions always. Your own daughter, you who happens to be the mother, you are looking down on her. Can you just come down from your high horse? Fulfill the conditions given by the one in charge. And if actually you need a new car, that new car will come out.
Chief, please, what are you saying about my car?
Have a wonderful day.
Good day, man. You called me?
Yes, I wanted to let you know that from henceforth, anytime any of my family member comes here to see me, I want you to be here while we discuss.
Okay, man.
Yes, so my brother's on his way here.
I should see.
guess you're here for the proposal, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you can have a seat.
Is he going to sit down here while we discuss?
Of course.
Why?
Do you have any problem with that?
I have problem with that, please. Can he kindly leave?
He's part of my team, so sit.
I can see that you want to insult me in the presence of this your so-called driver or taxi man or whatever his name is. Can he kindly leave so that we can discuss?
Can you kindly sit so that we'll discuss?
Yoba, go to the other side.
I went through your proposal like I told you. And you said you copied it from AI, right? So I think you should... How am I saying I think? Because I'm certain. So I want you to rewrite it.
I'm not going to do it. Yeah, maybe I can go. If I try that, let me talk to Tortoise. I'm not going to do it.
Fine, Mr. Tortoise, please leave my office.
For what? Are you sick in the head? I should leave my own father's office? Huh? What? You are not going to do anything. This is my father's office. Yeah, he may never get and don't pay I am angry. Do it this morning. Send me this money. Let me leave this place, please. What is your problem? Lanya, don't get me. Send this money. Let me leave here. I will scatter things here.
I won't attend to you from now. I'm giving you 2 weeks suspension. I won't attend to you for 2 weeks.
Come forget the pine first. Yeah, come forget the pine. Don't worry. Chief will hear from me now.
Very loud person.
Mommy, I have talked to those boys and they have accepted the price. The problem now is, how are we going to raise the money? According to them, they said mobilization fee is very, very important.
Can you leave that to me? I'll get the money from Urena. I'll use the same money I get from her to terminate her. Don't bother yourself. She will not give you. Mom, I know how to handle her, trust me.
In that case, you have to be very, very fast because we don't have time on our side.
No. Why don't we go borrow him? Obru Lapo, I didn't put an ego.
What are we going to tender?
What television do you
Mbagwao.
No,
I cannot melt my chair or television. You want to render to see me finish? I can't do that one, Mbagwao. I can't do it. No. Urena cannot see me finish.
Thank you.
Okay, hope there's no problem.
Yes, and not really.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Well, sis, I'll be needing some money to sort out some things.
If you ask me, I think you should not be talking about this money everything. That's the important thing I want you to really look into. Don't you think?
And what could that be?
You should settle down with the man.
You must be very stupid and out of your mind. Are you insane?
But I'm saying the truth. You're getting old and you don't...
Urena, it is that truth that will kill you. Can I at least get the money?
Okay? Since you don't want to hear the truth. So, what do you need the money for?
Come on, I'm an adult. I need to settle some stuff.
Okay, so stuff like what?
Urena, let me have the money.
But we don't have any idle money. Maybe even we have, I can just let you know. But for now, there's the money for that.
You are simply playing with fire. And I promise you, it's that fire that will consume you. Stupid thing.
Madam, Does it mean they can look for a job and earn money themselves?
What's the meaning of that? Who gave you the right to poke nose in my matter? Please get out.
I'm sorry.
Come on, open it. Get out. Why are you blocking me?
They put instruction now. They put instruction. They say, man, no, they put instruction.
What is the instruction?
Say, man, no allow you. Oga Ekene and Madam Miracle enter this compound again. They don't want even see a shadow at all. Man, I don't even enter.
Are you joking or what?
I go joke for you. How you try me say I dey joke again? I look like comedian. I dey tell you truth now.
So who puts the instruction?
My small madam. My small madam put am. They push person, no allow person.
And you're stupid enough to abide by the instruction.
I know they stupid. Now my job.
You're very crazy.
They go sack me, oh. They go sack me. Job no day.
Come and get away.
Madam, go outside. No.
Imagine, oh. Can you imagine this stupid one?
Say I dey play. You give me a no hit my gate again, oh.
This stupid one. Can you put this on?
Not you go dey speak English. You want sack me? Go back.
May thunder fire that your mouth which you call me mom with.
What happened? What is it again?
You're asking me. Evelyn, you're asking me. You have done everything wrong. Urena, why are you this mean?
Tell me what I did so I can apologize.
I don't need your stupid apology. Keep it to yourself. I don't need them. Urena, why did you instruct the gate man not to allow us into the compound?
Because you all were constituting nuisance. The only way how to stop it was to limit you from entering there.
Urena, when did you grow these nerves? What impetus? What temerity? How dare you refer to your mother's action as being nuisance?
Mother, don't try that.
Please take her out of my office.
Who is this? Yes, ma'am.
Don't do that! Take her out of my office!
Who are you?
I said, don't try it.
How about that?
Don't allow me to carry you. I will carry you.
Okay.
Leave, please.
Is that how? You now carry talks against me, Abby? Okay. Look, let me tell you. Okay. This is the beginning of your problem. Yes, Dago. I will deal with you. No problem. I'll be forgiven. It's okay. Sorry, Mom.
All I want is for peace to return.
Just enough for me.
Okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love.
Afana,
I do.
where the bala? You bring her?
I don't carry anything come.
You not carry money come?
I swear.
So why you come to make me wait for you for here now? Why is me we come to wait for you till you come meet us for here?
Caro, Nas, na beg I dey wan beg una. You get as everything can take play out. You get as things can take solve. But no can dey again. Mana, you get the way I want me una take package this thing for me, I beg. I want me una help me execute this matter. I promise you and I swear here. I swear to God, I swear with my life. In fact, I swear with my own papa life. Once I take over family business, I swear, I go double the money for now.
So if you say if we define money double and you will commit, you go double the money.
See, Mr. Man, that's the way the talk no dey possible. You don't care whether you double or you not double.
Which can talk with this one?
That's why there isn't like this now. See, if say you get the way I go feel melt 1 or 2 for my body, take it a good decision. Just that man just need.
What you they melt for your body? Now gold do they find? You want melt your body melt gold? The taste na gold do they find?
Just imagine.
They leave this guy for you.
If you package something for me again, no be me and you again.
Don't come you. Don't try him.
This life. Now who know you ain't gonna lose guard you for this life? Package something for me. Once I take over family business, everybody go smile. You just lose guard me like that. Oh, wow.
All I want is for peace to return and everything will be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful
For the past 2 days now, we have not eaten good food. We cannot continue like this. Oh. Just see how we are dressed. Just see how we are dressed and still hungry. What do we even do now? We just have to go back to your father and beg him for forgiveness.
The same thing I had always wanted you to do, but you refuse. Now, what makes you think he will listen to us?
Talking about my husband, your father. You. Well, father is a very kind-hearted and nice man. I think he will forgive us. I remember when I went back home. He did. I saw the excitement in his face. Oh. He's peaceful as well. My only concern is Ure. Urena might not accept us back. Especially now she's in charge of our dad's wealth. She has no option. That man is my husband. And he's your father. Oh.
So what are we going to do now?
What is this report you have been itching to give me?
Okay, so for the past 4 months that I've been in charge of the family business, we've recorded a profit of 700 million naira and 10% increase in workers' number. But you can still go and verify from the accountant of the company and the resource personnel department.
Give me one reason I have to go and begin to verify when you have given me the information. I trust you absolutely. I know that once you say it, that is it.
Okay, and another one, I have another project on table, which is to expand the business by opening another branch.
That is brilliant. You are the one in charge. If you feel opening another branch is go ahead and do it.
And I want to do that in Njikoka.
Why my village?
It seems you've forgotten you are a titled man. I want to bring back your chieftaincy title to light. You know, you cannot just be the Njikoka in vain. You need to be in practice. So I want to bring you to the village. Then by the time we open this branch there, we'll employ a lot of youths. And you know that it will reduce crime.
I don't know. Should I tell you that this is about the most brilliant thing I have heard in years? Very brilliant indeed. Urena, you are now the one in charge. And if you feel that opening a new branch is okay, as long as it is for progress, you have my blessings. What's that?
Wetin happen now? They say una no enter this compound again now. They no want see una shadow. Abi they no tell una.
You are very, very stupid and sick in the head at the same time. Are you mad? Who are you to tell me not to enter my own father's house?
Oga tell me. Oga tell me now all that way they give.
Now listen to me. I'm going to make sure that you are fired from this compound. You are very, very stupid.
Can leave this man alone.
No, you have not allowed me to do.
No.
Let me off this idiot.
Can I stop? The other time they called me that you broke his waist.
Yes.
Eh? You should allow him. Just allow him, please.
This time around,
Can I stop? Can I don't like this thing you're doing. My friend, can you come and carry this man? There's a man alone. I enter compound. Are you shouting at me? Come and carry this man. Can you? I don't do it.
Doka, you may leave us.
Yes,
My husband. We have all realized our mistakes. I am very sorry for all the lies I lied against you. Please find it in your heart to forgive us. Please.
Mpang, we are sorry for believing in a lie.
Daddy, we are truly sorry from the depth of our hearts. This is the realest apology we've ever rendered to you. We are sorry, please. Forgive us.
Who in the world? What are you saying about this?
It's actually a very nice thing that they've realized their mistakes and want to return to the main building. You know, this is what we've always wanted.
Exactly. I am excited because this is what we have always wanted.
Yes.
To have a family that is united, family that is together, planning together and achieving success together.
In as much as they've apologized, I still think they need to go back to wherever they've been staying while I observe them from afar.
Why?
Because I want to protect my father. I don't want anything to happen to him. But if you think you can't do it, we can do something. We can all swear that nobody will indulge in anything that will bring him down.
Swear?
Listen. It is from our heart that we have decided to come back to the main house. We mean no harm, and we are ready to do anything.
Then we can swear. Let's just stand, move to him, place our hands on his head. Then let's swear that whatsoever or whosoever that will plan to bring him down will first of all go down.
Swear?
Yeah, let's go.
Mind, Tiaga. Put your own hand.
So, any of you who will indulge in anything that will bring down my father will go down first.
All I want is for peace to return and everything will be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything will be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no, but why hating on one another when we should be strong together? Cause together we stand, divided we fall. I wish we can come together as one. All I want is for peace to return. And everything will be okay. For us to live as one happy family.